So am I gonna be punished? How you doing today?
What, no, but there is a warrant for you.
There is?
Yes, so,
Oh, there is?
yeah, so we're gonna figure out what it's about. So
Yeah.
don't get concerned. We'll figure out what it's about.
Okay.
figure out.
But here's the way things work. Court is calling 2025 CR 0057770 State versus Christopher Patrick Consolata. Could I have parties announced?
For the state of Texas.
Lauren Lupton from Mr. Consolado.
And are you Mr. Consolata?
Yes, Your Honor, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you? And where are you from with that accent?
Oh, Judge, I'm from, I'm not fried. I'm in New York originally. I'm in '05. Yeah, good to meet
In New
you.
York, maybe Boston, I'm not sure.
Yeah, came in '05. Brother was Air Force. How are you, Your Honor?
Doing great.
I'm willing to do anything. I'm willing to take that, if you can get that bond, it'd be greatly appreciated. I know I'm not supposed to talk.
Well, not until you're sworn in,
No,
but
I'm sorry, Judge.
nice accent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
You know, you don't know unless somebody tells you, right?
yeah.
All right. So this defense is requesting a bond. And what amount are you requesting?
I am requesting what the original bond amount was, which I'll be honest, I don't recall, but I do think I included in my motion.
Okay.
I think I would like to say $5,000. Mr. Consolado does not currently have a job. He lives with his elderly mother that is on a fixed income, and she would be the one paying the bond. She needs him to help care for her. She's in her 80s, I believe.
And what is his criminal history?
He does have criminal history, a few controlled substances, I believe.
All right. Do you want to raise your right hand for me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
So help me God, Judge.
All right, you can lower your hand. Have you ever received any type of diagnosis for any type of mental health issues?
Judge, no.
Have you ever been on any type of medications for mental health?
None.
All right. And the reason why I'm asking, because they do have special needs listed. Have you ever used drugs in the past?
No, just smoke. That's it. No.
Okay, so here's the thing.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
No, I need you to calm down. I'm saying things like in the past, because whatever is involved in your case, I really don't want information about that because
Right.
whatever defenses your attorney may or may not have. So, but you need to be honest with me because if
Okay.
I believe that you're not being honest with me,
Yes.
then your
yeah.
bond amount may reflect that. So have you ever used any type of drugs in the past?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what would that be?
Methamphetamine.
All right. And in the past, how often were you using?
Not very much.
What does that mean?
Like maybe once a month, not constant, twice.
I haven't heard of people using meth once a month when they're using regular.
Not a heavy user, but like,
Okay, so here's the thing. Let me decide that.
okay, go ahead.
All right, so how often were you using? Just be honest.
Yeah, weekly.
Weekly. Okay, see,
Yeah.
that wasn't hard.
Nah,
So meth weekly, what else?
that's about it.
All right.
Yeah,
Now, are you employed?
not now.
When's the last time you had employment?
Maybe about 2 or 3 years ago.
Doing what?
I was in maintenance for the school district.
All right, and do you have a savings account or any money in savings?
No, I don't, not at the time, Judge.
All right. Any questions?
No questions. The state does have a recommendation.
All right, and the court will see that his previous bond was, I believe, 8,000.
The state would ask for a conservative double the original bond, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Consolado,
Yes,
part of my setting your bond is to make sure that you will appear and that you will follow through on your conditions.
absolutely.
The reason why you're here is because previously you didn't follow through on your pretrial conditions. So to set your bond again at $8,000 would not be appropriate because
Right.
you've already failed to follow through
Right.
at 8,000. So it is going to be increased. You understand?
I'm willing to do it this time, Judge. Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. Whatever whatever you suggest, like a glass.
All right, we're gonna set his bond at 16,000. There's gonna be a referral to intensive outpatient treatment. That's gonna be through pretrial services. I'm gonna ask that the fees be waived. And also there is going to be a regular UAs, and I'm going to ask that fees be waived. And there is going to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And there's to be no employment with minors or at a home healthcare facility or the elderly or as a home healthcare provider.
Thank
All
you.
right, so we'll put it at August 18th. Ms. Ferguson will get a reset form for him, so he'll have it. And you're gonna need to appear, you understand?
Okay, this is outpatient stuff, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
We'll start there.
Right, just obey, right?
Yes.
Just call in and do whatever, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, absolutely.
Can I ask a clarification
Sure.
question? Because the original bond conditions did have the special needs
Mhm.
referral. Are you waiving that at this point and focusing more on the
Well, I'll
drug
tell you
abuse?
what, I will tell you, my experience is that when people have drug problems, it's hard to diagnose mental health issues until they're clean and sober.
Right.
But I'll do a referral for Center.
Well, no, I'd rather have less
No.
obligations.
So here's
for
what we'll do.
Consolado.
We'll do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. All you have to do is check in with them.
Right,
They'll run you to see if you've had any mental health issues in the past.
sure.
If there's nothing, they won't have anything for you to do.
But you were saying that evaluation, I'm willing to do that. Was that what you wanted? I didn't.
Yes,
Yeah,
I want you to
definitely.
make sure that you take
Definitely.
care of your substance abuse,
You
okay?
got it, you got it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, too.
You're welcome. And if you can go in the back and tell Ms. Ferguson
I
to
will
do
follow
a
up.
reset.
Good to meet you, Judge. Thank you.
You
Yeah,
too.
Take care.
I was confused with the accent because you have actors appear and they're
Everybody,
trying to do a Boston and or New York.
what they were doing to me in the pod, they were like, were you in Goodfellas? I was like, yeah, I had a cameo in it. Yeah. They give me a lot of stuff with that, you know? Take care, Judge.
All right, you too. All right, line them up. And Lauren, we have not seen your client.
He was literally just here and when I was walked in and then he walked out. But he was the gentleman in the white shirt behind the man in the jacket. Unless I'm not going.
All
I
right.
swear I spoke to him.
Consolato?
There he is, right there.
Oh, sign it?
Hi, Mr. Consolato, come forward.
Yeah. It's.
Oh, I'm doing great.
Am I gonna be punished? How you doing today?
Well, no, but there is a warrant for you.
There is?
Yes, so,
Oh, there is?
yeah, so we're gonna figure out what it's about. So
Yeah.
don't get concerned. We'll figure out what it's about.
We'll
Okay,
figure out.
But here's the way things work. Whenever there's a warrant for somebody's arrest, it may be for something that's unrelated to this court, but the deputies have to take you into custody. We're gonna try to figure out what it is. Your attorney is here, so
Issue the warrant for the violation report?
no, because we haven't had a hearing on the violation report.
Okay, right, okay, so I'll look into what.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you.
So we'll take care of it.
Yeah, we're gonna,
Yeah, we'll figure
it's
it out.
unrelated.
I don't think I've issued a warrant because it's not in the system where I've issued a warrant for the violation report. So we'll try to figure out what's going
Go
on.
to the back and see.
Yes.
Oh, man.
Okay, there's always, it's Monday. Of course, there has to be drama. But
No idea there's such, I mean,
yeah, but we'll see what's going on. It's late for court too.
yeah, but he's a little.
Yeah, I hear you. So we'll see.
Okay.
Yes.
That's what I looked at right here.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so yes.
Could I have the parties announced for the record?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
We're left in for Mr. Consolato.
And are you Mr. Consolato?
Yes, Judge.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with criminal mischief, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration 2025 CC 011039. There's to be restitution of 6,700. Did y'all agree to the restitution?
We did not, and if you see, it says restitution hearing to be
All right.
determined.
So there's to be a restitution hearing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Judge.
And you understand that the most it appears that the state will be asking for is $6,709.70.
Yes, Judge.
Outside the agreement, state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, no contact with the complainant. Well, yes, no contact with the complainant in the MRT program. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, I believe.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all this attachment.
No objection.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We asked you follow the agreement, Your Honor.
All right. How old are you?
Judge Boyd, I'm 53.
Why are you throwing rocks at somebody's vehicle, like Ernest T. Bass? Why are you doing that?
Disrespectful to my mom. I know I shouldn't be doing it, but you know, it's a,
Wait a minute. Was this your mother's vehicle?
no.
All right. So what about the disrespect to the complainant? Why are you,
I know.
yes. Why is he throwing rocks?
So unfortunately, the complainant is the defendant in a case against his mother. So
They're neighbors, Your Honor.
they're neighbors and unfortunately, it's just a complicated neighbor situation.
I mean, it's calmed down now.
Right, he understands
And
that
I-
there should be no contact and no communications. And he's committed to being successful in that.
Well, this is not Mr. Rogers' neighborhood, is it?
No. No, I'd like to go there though, if that's an option. I'll move.
All right. Is this the only offense he's ever had?
No,
What's the previous?
he does have prior history. It's not, I don't want to misrepresent anything. I do think there has been a less than a gram
Yeah.
in the past and some other misdemeanors. And then, yeah, obviously the case is less.
And where did you find rocks?
In my yard.
Okay. All right. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Are you currently employed?
No.
How do you support yourself?
I get this disability check, but mom mostly helps me out.
He lives with his
Yeah.
80-something-year-old mother
Yeah.
and helps care for her.
And what's the nature of your disability?
I'm looking to find a job. This is my back, I have minor back problems, but I'm looking to find something to get back to employment.
All right, so I require people work when they're here. Unless you're 100% disabled, you're going to need to find employment. You understand?
Right.
So proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the MRT. Once he completes that, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. There's to be no contact with the complainant. And Ms. Ferguson, can I have a restitution hearing in 30 days, please? Is that enough time for the state?
It should be, Your Honor.
So there's going to be a restitution hearing on September 18th. There is to be taken in consideration 2025 CC 011039. Probation, anything else? All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Judge.
With regards to his warrant, is that related to this case?
No, Your Honor, the warrant is related to the case that's being TIC'd. I don't know if the court would sign the dismissal or I need to.
No, you'll have to go to county court number 9 and then county court 9, they'll be in charge of the warrant.
Okay, well, y'all take it down to 9 then after.
All right. All right, good luck to you.
Okay, I'll follow up. with
You
9.
better.
Judge Boyd.
All right,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Will I have to, will I be released?
You'll have to take it up with county court
I'm
at
gonna
law
work
number
on it.
9.
I'm gonna get the dismissal side of it.
Did I do it?
All right.
You're gonna go with that and I'll talk to you later, okay?
Will they release me?
Hopefully. in the next-
Consolato. Hello. All right, how's it going?
Oh, it's going.
Where is Mr. Consolato?
That is a great question. And something the Lauren are here to talk about. Um,
You know, it's so funny. When we were in law school,
Mhm.
they never asked you to say, you know, what should I say when my client is not here? But I love you should acknowledge the question. I love where you acknowledge it. Great question.
Well, I believe in starting positive. So, I have been in communication with my client. He
Mhm.
is not able to Zoom in today or appear in person. So, the state has done a great job. They do have 2 witnesses here. For the rest, this is just a restitution issue. So I would either ask that the court proceed with the hearing without my client, which I don't know if I can really do that, but
No.
I'm throwing that out there. I would ask, or if not, the court reset the date and not issue any sort of warrant.
I mean,
And hopefully he would appear in the future by Zoom or.
yeah, he's not here and we're scheduled for a hearing and the state has witnesses. Deputies, could you make an announcement in the hallway for Christopher Patrick Consolato? That sounds like, the names from soap opera Santa Barbara.
I would say that's a fitting description.
Yeah. I'm telling you. I don't know why Odyssey, it keeps kicking me out.
That means he's not meant to have a warrant. The flowers are beautiful.
Oh, thank you. All right. So what I can tell you, what I will do is I will issue a judge's warrant.
Okay.
And if you have him in here tomorrow, the court will reconsider. But state has their witnesses here. So my suggestion would be you all confer on what the amount will be. And if
Oh,
the state
okay.
witnesses are not available to appear tomorrow, then I'm going to allow them to appear by Zoom.
And if Lauren and I are able to reach an agreed restitution amount this morning, would the court accept that and not issue a warrant?
Well, if, your client sort of has to be here to agree to it.
Okay, you won't
But if
take,
you
okay,
all,
if
I will
communicate.
tell you this, you communicated with
Okay.
him, and if he appears by Zoom or in person and he accepts that.
Okay, I'm gonna discuss that. I'll talk to Lauren, see what we can.
And when I say if he accepts that, I'm not asking that he accept the amount in exchange for he doesn't have a warrant. The judge's warrant will be issued, but the court will strongly consider recalling the warrant if he appears tomorrow in person or by Zoom.
Wonderful.
And it has absolutely nothing for you to do with any agreement that you all may or may not reach.
That sounds perfect.
All right, thank you.